Okay, we're at the Carifield railroad crossing. I'm ready to take a tour of it. Of this one. Here we got a progress signal base, Siemens gate mechanism, and Russian corner haze LED lights, and no bell. I have to be careful around here. Any cars coming? Nope. So on this signal, there's a bell change. It used to be a GS Type 2, and it got replaced to a Russian corn haze Type 2 or Type 3 E-bell. So on this one, uses a Seichan systems base, Russian corn haze gate mechanism, and Russian corn haze LEDs, and a Russian corn haze E-bell. And the third signal, it's not very smart. I have to be careful around here. So we got a Russian corn haze base, Russian corn haze gate mechanism, Harman LEDs, and a GS Type 2 E-bell. I should do this now. Here is facing south towards Larkspur and Ignacio Junction, and down there is facing north towards Sonoma County Airport. Look both ways. Yep, no train coming. And do I got permission to cross? Nope. Oh, thank you. So on this signal right here, oh, there's a cliff right there. Here's a Harman base, Western corn haze gate mechanism, and what's the light here on this one? Harman LEDs. Same thing with the overheads. And a GS Type 2 E-bell. Yeah, this crossing has 3 E-bells, alright. And one Russian corn haze E-bell. So way back in the early 2000s, there used to be 2 old tracks used to be operated by the NWP, and then I forgot the emergency information on my smart. Anyways, so this used to be operated by the NWP, and now the smart railroad took over ownership of the NWP line. So this is now the mainline sub. This is Train 43 Caleb, and I'm out.